This video is going to show you how to accept and look at your plan that you made with a counselor inside of Navigate. So you'll start at our VVC homepage, vvc.edu, and you'll click on the Student Menu tab. On the Student Menu tab, you have links all down the right side, and in the third section called Useful Links here, you'll see many options that are in alphabetical order, and you'll click on Navigate. This page gives you a bit of information, and you would click on Navigate to be able to log in. This video will show you how to access your electronic ed plan in the system called Navigate. So first this video will show you how to log in to Navigate in order to access your electronic ed plan. So first you will go to the Navigate login page, which is vvc.edu. This quick video will show you how to access your electronic ed plan inside of the system called Navigate. When you are inside of your WebAdvisor menu, you can scroll down to the bottom right and there is a link to get to Navigate. There are other ways to find the Navigate login page, and this is one of them. You can also just type in vvc.navigate.eab.com and it will take you to this login page. You'll log in with your sign in that you usually use for this video will show you how to access your electronic ed plan inside of the system called Navigate. One way to get to Navigate is through WebAdvisor. So if you are logged into your WebAdvisor student account, at the bottom right there is a link to get to Navigate. There are different ways to get to Navigate besides being inside of your WebAdvisor. You can also just type in vvc.navigate.eab.com and that will get you to this login screen as well. You'll log in with your regular school credentials. This is the same username that you use for WebAdvisor, Canvas. It matches your student email account. So whatever yours is, you'll put it in, and you'll also put in your matching password. Currently, Navigate has two pieces to it. The first one that you'll land in is this one here called Explore. In Explore, it will have a to-do list. It will show your class schedule, resources on campus, such as tutoring and the library and so forth. So there's a lot of helpful information on this first page. To get to your plan, you will click on Planner. And if you've already met with a counselor who put a plan together for you, you'll read the notes that the counselor wrote to you and view your plan. On your plan, all the changes that the counselor made will be listed on the left-hand side. So what you need to do is accept all of the changes that the counselor has suggested on your plan. And then you go to your plan. It does give you a quick little tutorial if this is the first time that you've been on the system, so I encourage you to go ahead and look at that. I'm going to skip it for now. But what you'll see is all the classes that you have planned out on this right-hand side. Eventually, VVC might move to registering from this system, so eventually you'll be able to look at the dates and times for these courses and make a schedule and then register. But at this time, it's just a place that holds on to the classes that you're going to take each semester, and you can plan out as far into the future as you would like. If you have a major in the system, this left-hand side might be displaying some courses that you need to take for your major, but we want you to be really careful and look up here at the top and make sure that the major that's showing up there is actually what you're pursuing, because otherwise it might be giving you the incorrect requirements for your goal. As always, with your ed plan, we just always encourage students to make sure you're meeting with a counselor so that they're helping you to make good decisions about what you're going to take. So I hope that has been helpful to you, and please watch our other videos. Thank you.